Hey guys, it's Vlad Matej here. Today I'm talking about reviewing this product, Joji Roshi Rice Cooker. It's incredible, has capacity up to 5.5 cups, which is 1 liter. The pressurized cooking and steaming promotes gelatinization and products sticky and plump rice. Automatically selects from 3 pressure levels. It's incredible. The menu settings include white, regular, softer or harder, unami, mixed, sushi sweet, jasmine porridge. It's all cooks everything. So also has an advanced fuzzy logic technology with AI, artificial intelligence. The AI technology learns and adjusts the cooking cycle to get the perfect results. It's also BPA free, so this is very good to have in consideration because all areas that come in contact with food or beverage are BPA free. Includes components as the pressure induction heating rice cooker, the rice spatula, the spatula holder, and 2 measuring cups. Regular and green rice free. You have to know that this Joji Roger pressure machine, it's made in Japan, so of course it has incredible quality and it's very good made. So also, I want to say that you can also steel cut oatmeal, rinse free, and quick cooking. It cooks all another stuff too. So it's a very good machine. So definitely a good recommendation.